Welcome back YouTube, VST here at Tech. The Galaxy S23 series is finally here, so let's take a look. Alright guys, no, this is not the S23 Ultra, but this is my S22 Ultra. But what is important is that later today, so 4 hours from now, Samsung is going to unveil the latest S23 series. You might think like, what does this have in common with the event in a few hours? And it's actually, yes, update to a lot of the Samsung stock applications to support One UI 5.1. And One UI 5.1, guys, as we know, is going to be premiered with the S23 series. So S23, S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. What I'm gonna do, guys, in this video today, I'm gonna show you the updated Good Guardians. As I said, when you start right now the Good Guardians, I'm running the latest One UI 5, you'll need to update it to a new version. Okay, so once you do that, guys, you can just see Good Guardians, they have a new logo. Version is 4105. Updated the app icon, the Media File Guardian adds more features, apps that file, a Battery Guardian adds more features, standard refresh rate up. So we're going to be taking a look. And by the way, guys, this is the version from the 17th of January, 21 megabytes. So once that's updated, I'm also going to update the individual modules. And there are so many, so many apps. Wow, 38 apps, guys. I don't know really where to start. So I decided, okay, today I'm going to do just the Good Guardians. So this means the Galaxy App Booster version 4.106. Again, support to One UI 5.1. Also, guys, I'm going to do the Thermal Guardian. And if you don't know really what this app is capable of, make sure to watch this video. Version here 4.106, again, support of One UI 5.1. And as we understood, guys, there is also update for the Memory Guardian. Same story there. And also an update to the Battery Guardian. So, Battery Guardian, so many apps, guys, I don't really know where to start. And some of these things, guys, some of these things really are very, very interesting, because again, not only will they support the One UI 5.1, but they of course also have new features. So I'm installing the Good Guardians agents, Battery Tracker update, Battery Guardian update, Galaxy App, all these things here, guys, updates. All right, so let's first start with the Battery Tracker. Battery Tracker, okay, support of One UI. This is really, really cool. So I'm now gonna go back inside and try to update to the next one. So the Battery Guardian, extend your battery life. And guys, here, not only new version, but also standard refresh rate app. So choose which apps you want to use in the standard refresh rate mode. One UI 5. Spacebar here, guys, see, spacebar 1. And I'm even not sure if we're gonna get some good piece of information here, but okay, let's just see. I'm not even sure if this is gonna run properly, but let me just try to update all of it. The next thing is the Galaxy App Booster, so I will update that too. Then we have the Thermal Guardian, the Memory Guardian, and then I'm gonna, guys, show you all the new things. So here we are, and first thing first, I want to open the Battery Guardian and try to see where is this feature standard app refresh. Although again, it is meant for One UI 5.1, guys. So if I click to extend battery life, I get this nice fancy thing, a question mark here, screen resolution that can allow the switch from HD FHD to WQHD. Then I checked this, guys, while I was preparing for my video, and sadly, yeah, that's true. I didn't have the option to choose individual app refresh rate for some of my apps, which is kind of frustrating. But okay, then at least we can check the Media File Guardian. At least here we can see a new addition, the apps that add a file. So according to the Media File Guardian, my YouTube Studio added one file, and I have 1,300 files added by my file manager. And also, click here, guys. This is really, really interesting. And I kind of like this approach. So right now I can see I have these 12 files from PenApp. I have 7 files from the voice recording. I have these files from the System UI, from Snapchat, from Power Director, YouTube Studio, right? Probably a thumbnail that I use for streaming. This is useful, and I can use this. Sadly, again, the Battery Guardian new functionality is not there. Let's check on the Thermal Guardian. I just want to see if there is anything fancy in the additional settings. No. So it's just really kind of an overhaul to adapt these tools for the One UI 5.1, but nothing really fancy. So the only new thing is inside the Battery Guardian, and sadly it only works for the One UI 5.1. And this, guys, here is the option 2. choose which apps you want to use in the standard refresh rate. Sadly, only available with One UI 5.1. And if I go back inside the Good Guardians, then okay, I'm gonna get here the new logo, but everything else pretty much is just the same it was. And guys, if you never used the Good Guardians and you do own a Galaxy phone, Samsung phone, I recommend you download the Good Guardians. If not from the Samsung Galaxy Store, download them from APKs, IPK, Mirror, whatsoever, and then guys, just hit optimize your applications. Last time I optimized my apps, as you can see, was 19 days ago, so I do this once at least a month, specifically when I'm downloading new firmwares. And I'm really now thrilled for the One UI 5.1 and for the S23 series, guys. So let me just put this phone to rest and meet you tonight on the watch party. So I set up a live stream to be a watch party where we can together see what Samsung will present. Guys, stay safe, you and your families. VST over and bye.